So welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo, Andy here again. Really excited to have you back with us today. So 1 year ago we did a review on the Sony WH-510 headphones. In that review we described how the headphones were really good. They had 35 hours battery life, good quality sound, and while they were a plastic build, they actually worked quite well. So what we thought we're going to do today is it's been 1 year since we actually bought these headphones. So what we're going to do is kind of go back and have a look at how the headphones went. I kind of talk about different questions that some of our viewers had about the headphones, but the reality is these headphones are very inexpensive and they do a good job. So I've been really happy with them, and we've still got them going now after a year. So they work really well. So anyway, we're going to go and jump in. So first we'll go back and have a look at unboxing them again to see how they look coming out of the box. We'll then jump out and I'm going to go and do some common questions we had and answers about them. Then we're going to try them out actually exercising. We had some comments about how effective they are running at the gym, CrossFit, see how they work there. And then finally we'll talk a bit about the sound, and then we'll wrap up to kind of give our summary of what we think the Sony headphones went. So again, the Sony W510 headphones are really good, but also look out for other headphone reviews on Mr. Yoo-Hoo. We've also got a lot about JBL earbuds, which are really good and effective as well. So anyway, without much ado, let's jump in and look at the Sony 510 headphones here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Now here we are with the Sony WH-510 headphones. Now this is what the unboxing we did previously. So as you can see, you open up the box, quite straightforward to open. The good thing is these headphones are very well priced and great if you're on a budget. And they have the 35 hours battery life, which is quite fantastic. Now they are a plastic build, which to be honest, I don't mind. I've actually dropped the headphones a couple of times and actually there was no impact. So there you can see there's the instruction booklet. There we are opening up the wrapper to get the headphones out inside. But as I said, I dropped these headphones previously and had no issues with them at all, actually. They were completely fine. And they're very easy to connect as well. So you can see they're quite comfortable in the head as well, considering they're plastic. And they adjust as well, depending on your head size, which is really good. They're also quite light, which is great. And I also ran them the other night, and they were quite good with the rain. Didn't really impact them that much. They're very straightforward to also connect as well. So if we have a look at the actual connections here as we turn them around, you can see there's the port. So you've got the USB-C charging port there, and you've also got the pairing and also the volume controls there as well. You can also use Google on there as well if you wish to call it as well. So yeah, great headphones. They're really good. Sorry. So I got caught up in the music again. As you can see, I love listening to these headphones. Now, we had some common questions from our viewers regarding these headphones. So the first one was, can they be used in a laptop? So yes, the Sony 510 headphones can be used anywhere you basically have Bluetooth. So whether that's on your laptop, whether it's on a phone, wherever you want to use it, you can generally use them for Bluetooth. So yeah, they're quite effective for that as well. Again, they don't have noise cancellation, so if you use them in a noisy environment, while the padding is quite good to listen to, I wouldn't say it blocks out the noise. But then again, I listen to them in the gym, noise playing in the background, and they're really fine to listen to, so they work really well. The second question I had is in regards to actually using them for exercising. Now we're going to go jump in and look at a video in a minute regards to using them, but one of you said, can we use it for CrossFit? I probably wouldn't use these headphones for CrossFit. I'd probably go more so for earbuds that sit in the ears effectively. But that being said though, you'll see shortly about how I managed to use them. Another question I had was in regards to, are they waterproof? No, these aren't waterproof, although that being said, the plastic design, as you can see there, is quite good. So if they do get wet, there's a good chance they may survive. But yeah, I'll be careful. Another question I had is, how durable are they? Well, I've actually dropped these several times on concrete, dropped them while running, been a bit of a klutz actually, which you shouldn't be, and found them to work really well. So yeah, they're good. They don't seem to break, and it's because they're plastic. Now, if you have a look, if you bend them, see how they give a lot without moving, so they're good. They don't pack much too, so that's how they go into your, where you wear them. So I can put them on my head, as you can see there. So yeah, that's the questions. So kind of going back to sound quality, Now, the sound quality is great for the price. Sony have great sound. You're not going to be getting what you expect in, say, something like a Shure Ionic 50 or, top-level JBL earbuds. But for the price, you're getting some good sound. Beats are not that pronounced, but that being said, they do the job. So if you want a good sounding pair of headphones, they'll last a while, inexpensive, these are the ones for you as well. And the Bluetooth range is quite good as well. And they're very easy to pair. You just literally press a button, pair it to your phone, and then start to rock. So yeah, great. So anyway, let's go and jump now and kind of have a quick look about how they were like in the gym. So running, do a bit of exercise so you can see how they look. And we'll jump back to our final thoughts. As you can see, I'm skipping here, and the headphones aren't moving from my head at all. The 510 actually really, really stable and fit quite well. Doing weights as well, they don't move my ears, and I can't actually hear much of the outside gym music too. It feels like I'm in my own zone, and even running, they're great to run. Don't move at all in the ears, although they do get a little bit sweaty as you're running along, which can be uncomfortable. Again, more weights. These actually are quite good headphones for exercise, and with a great battery life, they're fantastic. Okay, so just a couple of things with the Sony headphones as well. So first, they use USB-C for charging, which means they do charge very, very quickly. So 10-minute charge, you get 9-minute playback, which is great. 35-hour battery life is great as well. They've got Google Siri Assistant, which you can use by pressing a button. And also, you can do hands-free calling with them as well. Call quality is okay. Again, for the price, you're getting what I think is good call quality. So really good. So kind of to wrap up, so would I recommend these? Absolutely. For a low price point, I mean, I bought these for $60 in Australia. I mean, they're cheap. I mean, you can't get that anywhere else. I think they're trading for about $100. Not sure about other countries, but very inexpensive, great headphones. And they're kind of how I started my headphone journey as well all that time ago. And since then, we've done a lot more earbud headphone reviews. So check it out. Again, top level, we recommend the Shure Ionic 50, great headphones. The cheap level, the Sony ones. And if you want a good quality earbud, again, I love the JBL, for example, Reflect, Flow, Project Rock. So anyway, let us know in the comments below what you think of the headphones. If you want to purchase them, we'll have links below as well to look at them. But yeah, great headphones. And after a year, I think they've probably got another year left. So anyway, thanks for joining us again. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.